I'm here again. I want to share with you an interesting strategy for those who um, work and don't have the time to sit at their charts day in, day out, right? So this is a pivot point strategy, right? So for example now, right, we are at M2, the price was at M2, and M2 is where we normally is a buying zone, right? It is a buying zone. This area right here, M2. See it right here, M2. And you have the PP is also known as a central pivot point, right? And as a bull, we normally price we're looking to buy within this M2 and PP right here. Let us highlight that real quick for you guys. So for example, right in here is our buy zone, right? M2, see it's PPP, right? Central pivot point right here, just PP. Okay, so basically, with that being said, right? With that being said, we understand that the price has been coming down, right? The price has been coming down, right? So right away, we understand the trend of the market. But you as a bull, you have to pick your direction of the market. You want to buy these assets. So as soon as it's ready, right? As soon as it's ready, you tend to take position in the market. As in, you need a break above, like a higher high, and you tend to buy at the lower low, right? So if the lower low come into your buy area, right? If the lower low come into your buy area, your buy zone, right? You just enter the trade. You just take the trade, but you already calculate your risk to reward ratio, right? And I'm also going to share with you where you're likely to take your take profit area is. Right in this pink area right there. Right? This is where, so here's a buy zone and here's a take profit zone. Right? So you can do one out of two things. Right? You can just set your alerts. Set your alerts, for example. Set your alert. Right? You can just set your alert. Cool. Set your alerts. You can set two of them. You can set one at directly at M2, and you can set another one right at central pivot point here, right? Central point here, right? But with these alerts, this is on your MetaTrader 4 platform that I'm using, but you can also have them the message sent to your phone. For example, because this already hooked up to my phone, so I will just edit this, for example. Right? Now I'll go to notifications, and this is linked to my MetaTrader 4 on my phone, right? So you can just do that also. So you could write, for example, buy euro euro USD, right? Okay. So when you do that now, you can do it for the both buy here, right? And when you do that, when the alert indicate the price, send the alert to the phone, you exactly know what you want to do in case you forgot what you already planned. So as the alert sent to the phone now, you can just execute the position and calculate your stop, right? Whether below the lower than the previous low, right? And your profit target would be up in this area right here. But you can also set an alert an alert right within these price here. So the conservative target is 1.06, 1.0898, right? And the aggressive target is 1.0915, right? So this is the price where you normally take profit, right? And this is just a weekly. This is just for the week, right? So this is the Monday, and chances are this is like the Wednesday, right? Within Wednesday, okay, you could take it right here and you could exit right here, right? And you stay out and you plan. And next week you have your bias what you want to do for the following week. So this is how you would trade weekly instead you have to be at your charts and watching price daily, watching price hourly, minute by the minute, right? So this is how we really execute on a weekly setup, right? So with that being said and done, hope say you guys find this very interesting for those who don't have the time to sit at their charts and go along. And one other thing before I forget, let I explain the moving average that I have here. Right. We have the 200 moving average, right? And this is exponential. And we have the 55 moving average, right? Exponential also. And we have the 21 moving average, and it's exponential also. And we also have the 5, the 8 exponential moving average, and the 5 simple moving average, right? So this is the moving average that I have, and they establish the trend for me. The wider, the more further the moving average spreads, that's more, the trend is more aggressive to a certain era, right? The trend is more aggressive. The wider the three moving average fan out, they establish how strong the trend is, right? So similar like we have it right here, the 255 and the 21, right? Yeah. So this is how I really look at it, right? So for example, now I'm going to give you another scenario where, say you guys want to be a seller of this asset, right? A seller of this asset, and we already establish our selling zone, which is M3, M3, and M3 and PPP, right? As we know, we get an entry this week, right? We get an entry this week, exit to our position. The following week, we didn't get that entry, right? We didn't get a pullback into this zone where it was our sell zone, and the trend just continue, right? So this helps you to stay disciplined, right? You don't get the setup, you just don't take the trade, right? So I hope you guys find this very informative, that you can have a 9 to 5 and you still find time to trade the market. And as we can see, the moving average fan out, the price is below the moving average. The price is below the moving average, so it indicates that we are in a downtrend, right? As in this scenario, the price is above the moving average. Sorry, the moving average is below the price, right? So this indicates an uptrend, right? So you add the breakout and you get the pullback into your buy zone and execute it, right? So each time as time goes by, if you was tracking this asset, you keep on setting your alert at M2 and central pivot point for the price to break above and then pull back. Show your signs that there are buyers into the market before you enter the trade, right? So this is not this is basic price action. So not because the price touch M2, you're gonna induce buying. No, right? You need when you get your alert, right? You must be aware. Take a look at the chart to see if there are buyers in the market, and you just wait for the pullback like this, for example. You already set your alert, right? So on the chart opening, you see where there's, when you open a platform, you see where there's buyers in the market. So you're just waiting for your pullback. And this happened the week before, right? So from the 17th to the 21st, 1 week, right? So from the 21st, go straight out to the 28th, 24th rather, to the 28th, 1 week, right? So this is a key indicator that I use. Is forward. It is forward looking, right? So for example, now, if you're interested to still sell this asset, I'll just give you a key area, central pivot point, and M2. This is M2. If you zoom it out, just a minute, going on a bigger time frame rather. So if you zoom it out, you will have right in here as your new buy zone. So you can just move your alerts, set it, right? And then you can just carry out with your plan, right? It's not every week you're going to get a trade, and it's not every week you're going to profit from a trade. But from you can able to be consistent with what you're doing, you will be on your way. So you have the breakout, you have the pullback, you have the take profit zone right here, and it went way out of position, right? So for you to get involved in the market, you're expecting a pullback in this area, plan A, and this is plan B to continue with the move all the way up, right? So this is how this is how I started out as a trader and a 9-to-5 worker at the same time. But I'm going to share something, a key important thing with you also. As you can see, you need a break of this top right here, right? Automatically this area become resistant, right? And we need to get price past this area here to this area. So also remember, you don't have the time to stare at your charts. You can just set an alert, use up your alert, use up the tool, I'll just move this right now for show you guys. Set an alert, boom. Want to see when price reach this area. You don't want to see how price react to this area, or you could just take your, you can just take your profit at this area, right? Or because this is resistance, and normally price reach resistance, you get some from a price action up here. So depends on how it behave. Or if you want to be very conservative, you could just take a profit here. Or if you're disciplined enough to hold it, make your choice. But you set alert at this price here right here to see how price behave, right? So I'm giving you these basic key information to help you guys, right? So take keen into what's happening, and take keen into fundamentals and what's going on in the market. Just don't buy and sell blindly without having an indicator what's driving the market. Okay? Thank you.